Cockabee. Fact 1. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can truly fly backwards, cockabee, because their wings move in a figure-8 pattern. Sabiwabi Suzuki. Fact 2. A hummingbird's heart can beat more than 1,200 times per minute. Sabiwabi Suzuki, especially during fast flight. Mammy mo davy davy. Fact 3. Some hummingbirds flap their wings up to 80 times every second. Mammy mo davy davy, creating the humming sound people hear. Kakaputazuka. Fact 4. Hummingbirds must constantly drink nectar to survive. Kakaputazuka, because they burn energy incredibly fast. Ludopinaralcahazala. Fact 5. The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird, Ludopinaralcahazala, and it is about the size of a big bee. Hami hami bsupalami supilmapi. Fact 6. Hummingbirds can see ultraviolet colors invisible to humans. Hami hami bsupalami supilmapi, helping them locate flowers. Haker biba buba subaduba. Fact 7. During cold nights, hummingbirds can enter a deep energy-saving state called torpor. Haker biba buba subaduba, where their heartbeat slows dramatically. Gabugaboo Ferrari Canary Sledge. Fact 8. A hummingbird's tongue works like a super-fast nectar pump. Gabugaboo Ferrari Canary Sledge, instead of acting like a straw. Cockabee. Fact 9. Some hummingbirds migrate thousands of kilometers without stopping. Cockabee, even crossing the Gulf of Mexico. Sabiwabi Suzuki. Fact 10. Hummingbirds have excellent memories and remember which flowers already contain nectar.